Wendy's. Hindi ko pa na-try yung recent Wendy's. Tagal ko nang di nag-Wendy's. So, siguro alright lang siya. Bonchon alright lang din. Pancake House? Sa lahat ng pancake house ko, never ako nag-enjoy.
Talaga?
Interesting.
Oo, hindi ko siya gusto. Pero sige, alright lang siya.
Pancake ba in order mo?
KFC.
Okay, there's a reason kung bakit dyan kababa ang KFC and hindi ako
Wait
yung
lang,
rason.
Gusto ko nga babaan
let's
eh.
wait for
Oh, wait, what?
That's my boy.
Wait, what?
Bakit?
Gusto ko
Bakit, Dean?
babaan. Packaging pa lang, nakakabwisit na eh. Alam mo yung gusto mo na ng gravy. Ano, hindi mo mabuksan.
Yes. Keep
Tapos
coming.
yung chicken nila, fried pero soggy. So how does that work?
Okay.
Tapos parang yung, ilan yung secret spices nila?
11?
11, pero parang wala lang din. Parang buhangin lang din siya. Yung rice nila, magkakadikit, pero matigas. So parang doble-doble yung chemistry nila ng mga food nila. Okay lang ako sa Zino. Solid yung Zino.
Yes, sir.
Pero pag yung rice meal chicken, yung bucket na chicken, hindi siya para sa akin.
Okay.
Angels, dapat mas mataas to eh.
Actually, we had Angel's Burger after namin gawin yung tier list na yan. And I think after that we wanted to put it
higher now.
Dapat siguro absolutely amazing. Pangmasa yun eh. Kaso, ang hot take ko lang, mas masarap yung mga Angels sa probinsya.
What?
Oo. Yung kalimutan ko yung pangalan nila, pero may Angels din sila doon. Pero yung brand nila, supplier nila is same lang ng Angels. Pero ibang branding lang. Tapos may difference din sa ibang products. Kunwari din sa probinsya may brownie.
Ooh.
Petsify. Goldilocks. Ayoko ng Goldilocks.
Really?
I prefer Red Ribbon.
Actually, yung Goldilocks, ang tinitingnan namin dyan, yung brownie nila, tapos yung egg pie, yun yung pinaka-driving force.
Yes, sir.
Ng Goldilocks namin.
May nakita ako, nabwisit ako. Sige.
Maxes?
Maxes muna. Hindi. Ano ba to? Ano ba yung Maxes? Ito yung may ketchup, wash your sister, wash your mom sauce.
Wash your mom sauce.
Wash your sister sauce.
Wash your sister sauce.
Masarap naman. Kasi regular chicken. Sauce lang talaga bumawi. Jerry's Gravy. Masarap dito eh, kasi Pinoy din siya eh. Kaso medyo overpriced na siya ngayon. Alright lang siya. Ito putang. Bakit nandito to?
Alin?
Tropical Hut.
Bakit?
The absolute best to.
Trip mo yung clubhouse nila, ganun.
Everything, buddy.
Really?
It's like same level as McDo for me.
That was all Elric. Hindi pa ako nakakain sa Tropical.
Pero kasi, if you say it's better, it's like McDo, you didn't really put McDo in high regards kanina, di ba?
Exactly. It's not ka-level ng Jollibee best, but it's like McDo.
Okay.
One of the goats, but not as good. Pizza Hut last auction, talaga. Ayaw niya yung cheese-filled crust.
Lit lang mga pizza nila eh.
Pero masarap siya.
Yeah, I guess.
Siya, pero masarap siya. Ito, favorite pizza ko eh, Pizza Hut. Tokyo. Medyo nag-decline na yung quality ng food nila kasi.
Yes, agreed.
Wagyu na hindi Wagyu.
Agreed.
Maganda sana Tokyo kaso pinabayaan. Kuya Jay, okay lang to, dito lang yan. Nabasa ako, may nakakita ng lamok sa sabaw niya. Sa loob ng mall, Never Greenwich. Actually, same. Parang anong pwedeng kainin sa Greenwich?
Wala. May ordering ka, parang wala ka rin kinain.
Walang
Buisit.
dumating.
Parang yung pinakamasarap lang, lasagna, pero at the same time, pangit din yung lasagna nila.
Masarap siya, pre. Ang problema, may enjoy mo pa lang yung sarap. Ubus na.
Ubus na. Late nga din ang serving nila.
Yan!
Pangit pa yung pizza.
Yeah. Actually. So, overall, okay
The last
naman
one.
to.
Overall, I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Not bad.
Not bad.
It's a passing score.
Passing.
What would be, ano yung ilalagay mong top na establishment per tier?
Top establishment per tier.
Para lang may quick parang opinion ka sa
Chowking
tier.
is the absolute best.
Yeah! Sige pa.
I'll put Tropical Hut as the
Really?
absolutely amazing.
Respect. Okay.
We gotta go there, bro. We gotta try it.
Oh, sige. Set natin yun.
I
Tropical
left
Hut.
Angels at It's Alright, so it's the best for me in the It's Alright tier.
Okay.
Pizza Hut is my best for last option, and Greenwich can get the fuck out of here.
Okay. So, ako I like yung list din. Ano? So, ikaw,
respectable list.
Ano tingin mo, no? Do you like list ni Dean? Ano ba?
Okay rin. Not bad. Kasi maraming restaurants dyan na I wanna try. You know what I mean?
Which is yun. Kasi you guys made the list together. So you came up with the same opinion. Then I came here judging everything. So there's bound to be differences.
I like how merong mga sang-ayon si Dean.
Kaya ka
Meron mga sang-ayon sa akin. I honestly didn't expect. Akala ko ako lang yung
sa KFC.
Sa McDo fries.
Kasi
Jollibee fries are the best, bro. The best ng Jollibee fries para sa akin. Kahit matagal na siya, kahit luma na, masarap pa rin.
Yung wala silang kailangan
as compared to McDonald's fries.
Magko-cope pa kasi yung McDo. Kailangan pa nila mag-add ng shake fries para masabi na mas masarap yung fries nila.
I agree.
Even then, minsan, when I eat the shake fries, parang nauumay ako. Parang may lasa.
Sobrang sagin na siya pag shake mo.
Ay, nako. Okay. Good talk. Good suggestions. Good. Okay. Nice one.